Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to use your MSc 2312 course shell in D2L and what you should, you're supposed to do, or how you have to complete, assignments for this course. Okay, first of all, when you log in your D2L account, go to your course shell, MSc 2312, and click the course content here. That's the first thing you're supposed to do. And okay, this is the page you are going to see, syllabus start here page, and click the welcome message from me. This is me, and then there is a course description and then some suggestion how to be successful in this course. Just read this, and to go further, just click the link here, this tab here. To go to the right, it will give you the next page, which is actually the syllabus. Okay, so remember, let me take you back here. If you click the course content, if you just click the course content, you will be able to see all the tabs here. Look at here. This course is divided into 4 different modules: module 1, module 2, module 3, and then finally module 4. But before that, you have to understand the process. That's why I have created this one, start here, which will give you the information about the syllabus, assignment due dates, academic calendar. You have to take the syllabus quiz here, which is not for the grade, but just I want to make sure that you understand the laws and rules in the syllabus. So you have to take it. The course material, you are already using my lab plus for this course. You are using that. It's already here, so you will be able to find out that information here. You have to post your introduction in the discussion forum here. Just answer these questions. And here is the optional readiness diagnostic exams. This is not for the grade, just to make sure that you still remember the things you did in calculus 1. So take it, and it will give you the idea about your foundation. And there are some review learning material as well. Okay, so to go these pages one by one, you don't have to come here and then click its link. You can do that. That's one way. And another way is just click the link and then use this next tab, next tab. So this is your syllabus, this is the course name, this is the reference number, and these are my hours, office hours for you. Whenever you would like to meet with me one-on-one, then you can use this office hours. If it's possible, come to visit my physical office. Uh, I am at South Campus, building 69, room number 237, and these are my hours. And this is the hour for online. So if you would prefer to, do some catch up with me using the Zoom, then here is the link you can use. Sometime I might be busy with some other student. That time maybe you have to wait for some time. So don't just leave, okay? And you can use these office hours. If these hours are not good for you, then just email me and we can set up some other time as well. Okay, so here you have to read this syllabus very carefully. All the information regarding this course is available here. So course information, this is 5 credit course. There will be 4 proctor exams. Okay, and you will be able to see all the assignments details later. And these are the general course outcome. This is the textbook we are using. You do not have to buy hard copy, but you need my lab math access. So access code, and which is already available here. So you can just use the link given, the assignments link here, and it will take you to the my lab math. Okay, so read about this, and then finally I have to do the attendance verification. So make sure that you know the attendance policy and withdrawal policy. And because you are taking the online course, you should have knowledge about computers and internet and other things. And these are the class activities I'm planning to use. Discussion, there will be discussion, and this discussion expectation. So read the expectation for the discussion. And for the class assignments, there will be homework, chapter practice test, chapter test in my lab math, and there are the expectation here. And there will be there will be proctor exams as well. There will be proctor exams as well. So for the proctor exam, we are using honor lock. So you can only take the proctor exam um, during the availability dates. So check the dates, which I'm going to show you next. Okay, and then here are some expectation for the proctor exam. So whenever you take the proctor exam, you have to make sure that you are taking it like in the regular classroom. So follow the rules and regulation, everything. I do not want you to use something else while taking the test other than the allowable thing. For the proctor exam, you can take your physical notes or the physical book, and other than that you can also use a calculator. Other than that, nothing else can be used. Okay, so proctor exams are open books. Open books means it's not digital book, it's a physical book or physical notes. So if you think like you need some of the information, then you can write it down and then you can bring that as a notes. Okay, and for the proctoring we are using honor. So whenever you would like to take a test, you have to go to the honor, and there is a different instruction video you can watch to take the honor proctor exam, and that will help you to understand more. So just read this thing for the honor, and this is your course schedule information, course goals, and then assignments you need to do, activities you need to do. So this is from module 1. The activities, like for example, you have to read the syllabus policies, take the syllabus quiz. You have to post your introduction in the discussion forum, and you have to read the chapter 6 from the course text. And there is an optional reading. You can do that using the open educational resources textbook mentioned here. Optional other videos you can watch, and you have to complete the homework. Set 1 doesn't mean that just one homework. There will be a bunch of homeworks for the set 1. Okay, there is a scenario 1. I'm going to show you what does that mean. And discussion, you have to follow the rules and regulation while posting for the discussion. There are 2 discussion from each modules, and then there will be chapter test, practice test, and then actual test, and then finally the proctor exam. Proctor exam is different than a chapter test. Chapter test, you don't have to use honor lock. You can take it at home without using honor lock, but you can only take it one time. Proctor exam, you have to use the honor lock. Okay, so more information about the proctor exam here. And for there are 4 proctor exam as you go further, like from each module 1 proctor exam 1, module 2 there will be second proctor exam, and the number of questions and time, it's given here, the information is given here. Module 3 third proctor exam, number of questions and exam time, it's given here. Module 4 fourth proctor exam. So this is our grading policy. Percentage weight of each of these assignments. Discussion, 8%. Okay, this is very very important. I want you to spend very good amount of time to answer this question. For the discussion, my lab math chapter practice test, it's a 2%. My lab math homework, 15%. My lab math chapter test, 5 test, 15%. And then 4 proctor exam, which is 60%. And these are the grading scale. Okay, if you would like to talk to me, if you would like to communicate with me, then D2L message service is the best way. If some way, let's say D2L is not working, then you can use my Broward email to communicate with me. Okay, and you can also visit my office hour. Okay, so that's about syllabus. If you go next page, if you just click this one, if you go to the next page, then that page is going to give you the assignment due date for all the assignments available for this course. For example, this week, August 26th. If you just click August 26th here, you will be able to see that this is Friday. So each day, these due dates are Fridays. So I'm making all the assignments available on, until the Friday midnight. So make sure that you follow these due dates: syllabus quiz, introduction, discussion post, and homework SW means homework from section 6.1. Okay, and next week you have to complete the homework from section 6.2 and section 6.3. If you check these dates, most of the time these dates are on Friday, but to give you some extra time, I will if it's whenever it's possible, I will make these assignments available until Sunday midnight, to make sure that you might have some kind of technology failure. But that doesn't mean that you supposed to wait until the Sunday midnight. You are I my expectation is you supposed to finish all these assignments by Friday midnight. So just use those Saturday and Sunday as a backup plan. Okay, and that might not be available for the proctor exam, so just check the assignments due dates given in your when you do the assignments. When you click the assignments, it will also tell you the when is the assignment due date. Okay, so these assignments, for example, these proctor exams will be available only for a week. So uh, you cannot take this proctor exam unless this week will be unless we are in that week. So proctor exam 1 will be available on 5th week, proctor exam 2 will be available on 9th week, and similarly keep going like that. So if you go further, it will give you the more pages and more information. This is your academic calendar, so you can just follow this calendar for for more information. And I'm going to go back here and I'm going to show you more thing. So for example, okay, so this is where you have to start module 1. Module 1 means it's the first topic, first this is the first module we are covering in this course. There are 4 modules, and whenever you click that module, the first page will be introduction of that module. So these are some information, and these are the goals, and here is the reading material you can use. And if you go to the next page, you will get more learning assignments, more information. If you go to the next page, just keep going to the next page and you are going to get the learning videos, which is actually your lecture video. Okay, so for example, volume of solid using the Dix method can be found. If you want to learn that thing, which is section 6.1, then you can watch this video, which is 25-minute 49-second. So while watching the video, my suggestion to you is grab a pen and paper and work each problem you can see in this video. Okay, this video will these are the lecture video for you. So you don't have to finish all the videos at one sitting. These are the video for the module 1. So there are so many videos, and so start with the one video, watch the one video, and go to the assignments to do the problems. Okay, so if you go to the next page, you will be able to see more information about the course syllabus. And next page is your assignments, and these assignments are in my lab plus. Okay, in my lab math. So in module 1 we're covering from chapter 6, section 6.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Review for that chapter, review homework. Chapter 6 practice test, and then finally chapter 6 test. This is not proctor, but this is a test. And chapter 6 test, or any test, it will only give you one time, one attempt. No time restriction, but one attempt only. Okay, proctor exam, it's a different. It's a one attempt with a time restriction, and the number of questions and time it will be given here. And it's a proctor test. To take the proctor test, you have to use the honor log, and there is a video about how to use the honor log, and more information about the honor log you can find here. Honor log proctoring, if you click here, it will give you more information about honor log, how to use honor log. Just click it and it will give you step by step instruction. Like you can also find the video tutorial, so click that and it will help you to use the honor log. Okay, and that's how you can complete your assignments, all the assignments for module 1. And then you can keep doing the same thing each week. And for module 2 you will have the same situation. Module 3 you will have the same situation. Each week on Monday I will give you a reminder video announcement. I will give you what assignments you need to cover that particular week. Okay, reminder video announcement. And if you have any questions, if you do not understand some of the things, you can also send me your questions and I will try my best to make a video for you. And I will post that video. If somebody asks me a question, I will make a video and then I will post that video somewhere here, and I will let you know about that video. Okay, so there is one more thing I have to talk. If you go to the module 1, as you can see here, there are different links: introduction, learning assignments, learning videos, which is lecture video. And then as you can see, if you keep going further, you will be able to see optional practice, additional learning resources, and there is a scenario. It's a practical application. You will be able to see here. This is not for grade. As you can see that this scenario is non-graded, but I would strongly recommend you to just go over this scenario. For each model there is one scenario that will help you to understand the big picture. It will give you the application problem. So just go over the scenarios in each model. Okay, so one more time, welcome to this course, and I hope you will enjoy and you will learn so much from this course. And I'm here to help you. So whenever you have some kind of confusion, whenever you need me, whenever you need some help, just feel free to email me. Okay? Keep working, keep learning. All the best. And if you need to talk to me, then you can use my email through the D2L, or you can come to visit my office hour, or you can ask some other time, or you can make an appointment with me for some other time. Okay, keep working, keep learning. All the best.